Hey guys, it's been a while since I've done a video, so I thought I'd make a little update on what I've been doing. So the other day, it warmed up to the point where I could kind of dig some mud. So I set up here. This is the top of the wall, and I put these dead logs on top. And then I went and I got some mud and I wheeled it over here. And it used to look like this, all ugly. There's a bunch of, cracks. So it looked terrible. So I put mud down in here. So I did that yesterday. And today, now that I have my GoPro, I think I'm gonna do a little time lapse. This is the site where I plan to build the water wheel. Gutter's gonna be coming from, up on this tree, or the flume once I build it. But it's temporarily gonna be a gutter. So right in here, I need to widen out this trench, this little area, clean up some of the rocks, put them in this pile. So I'm gonna put a time lapse of that in. Alright, so we got a good bit of work done, about 6 inches shaved off of that end. This is semi-straight. It doesn't need to be quite level down there, but that'll work. I'll dump some water on there eventually, erode that out, so it looks nice, less muddy. These are just in place temporarily to mark it, so I'm trying to divert it so it goes straight, at least for this channel in here, because the flume's going to start all the way up there, and it needs to go straight into this way. So it'll be the gutter. So I'm going to have a gutter temporarily, and then I'll build a flume. But the gutter, it's going to be right here, going straight onto there. So the curvature that it was originally at wasn't going to work. So I've kind of revamped it. So that's what that whole digging was for. And then this is here temporarily. All this needs to be filled in so it looks straight. It's going to look good. This is just a dead log. It's not dead enough to the point where I can just cut it. I mean, I can cut it, but not with a shovel. So I'm just gonna dig it up because I think it goes to about here. So I just dig that up. This rock, huge rock, that's not going anywhere. So we're just gonna have to live with that. Now what I'm gonna do, because I still have plenty of battery life left, is I'm gonna tackle some mud here. It's not gonna be fun. Boots are gonna get dirty, I'm gonna get dirty, but I think I'll be able to do a bit of work here. Just try and not get too muddy, because there's a lot of water going through here. It's normally just dry, but spring being spring, so I think it's better to just tackle it rather than, hiding from it. So Alright, so today was a pretty good day. I was able to move some mud over there. I was able to clean this channel up a bit, so I accomplished quite a bit, and I got some good time-lapse footage. So I think that's going to be all for today. I'm going to hopefully start working on the water wheel, so that'll probably be a separate video. But the water wheel, I have the 2x4s, and I need to cut them, and then I need to get the 2x6s, cut those, and then I need to assemble it all. So that'll probably take a while, especially because I got to go to Home Depot, and with how busy I am, that might not happen for a bit. So, but once I get the 2x4s, I mean the 2x6s, it should be pretty easy from there. The water wheel, which is going to go here, hopefully I'll be able to complete that in probably by the end of this month, maybe a bit later than that. But you know, I don't know when this video is going to come out. But today was a good day. We accomplished a lot. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.